Zero Waste Travel Packing Guide for the Discerning Adventurer. Let's face it, nobody wants to land on a gorgeous beach just to be greeted by plastic bottles and trash. Gross. But don't worry, there's a way to travel luxuriously and do your part for the planet. With a few smart zero waste packing moves, you can have your adventure and leave no trace behind. Yes, you can be eco-friendly and glamorous at the same time. So let me show you how to keep it stylish and sustainable while exploring the world. Number 1, Lux reusable water bottles. Hydrate in style. First up, ditch the single-use plastics and invest in a chic reusable water bottle like the Hydro Flask or a Swell stainless steel bottle. These beauties keep your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12, and they're sleek enough to match any travel outfit. Staying hydrated and eco-friendly has never looked this good. Plus, each refill is one less plastic bottle polluting our oceans. Small move, but big impact. Number 2, sustainable utensil sets. Whether you're grabbing street food in Tokyo or having a beachside picnic, packing a stylish utensil set like Outlary's compact cutlery means you never have to rely on wasteful plastic forks again. It's portable, durable, and makes you look like the eco-savvy traveler you are. Bonus points for being that friend who's prepared for anything. Plastic-free, of course. Number 3, solid toiletries. No more worrying about liquid spills in your luggage. Switch to solid shampoo, conditioner, and soap bars from brands like Ethic or Lush. These eco-friendly options are easy to pack, last longer, and come in adorable little tins. They take up less space in your bag, and you can fly through airport security without a hassle. Who knew saving the planet could smell this good? Number 4, reusable shopping bags. Bagoo's reusable shopping bags are a travel must-have. They fold up tiny, but expand to carry all your essentials, or that cute souvenir you picked up. Made from recycled materials, they're a fashionable way to avoid plastic bags. Trust me, you'll never want to be caught without one. Number 5, refillable travel containers. Keep your skincare routine intact with refillable containers like Matador's flat pack toiletry bottles. They're ultra-light, leak-proof, and help cut down on single-use plastics. These sleek containers let you bring your favorite products while keeping your eco-credentials intact. Number 6, sustainable clothing. Choose pieces that are both stylish and sustainable, like Patagonia hemp shorts or Eileen Fisher's organic cotton tee. They're designed to last and made from eco-friendly materials, meaning you can look good and feel even better, knowing you're supporting sustainable fashion. Less waste, more style. Number 7, multifunctional travel gear. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing style. A high-quality scarf from Pashmina International doubles as a blanket, a stylish wrap for a night out, or even a beach towel. It's all about versatile pieces that serve multiple purposes. Less stuff in your suitcase and more room for whatever else you want. Number 8, digital travel tools. Leave the paper behind and keep your travel plans organized with apps like TripIt. From boarding passes to itineraries, everything you need is right on your phone. Not only does this reduce paper waste, but it also means no more fumbling through stacks of tickets or receipts. Number 9, healthy snacks and reusable wraps. Forget single-use plastic bags. Pack your snacks in bees wrap, made from organic cotton and beeswax. They're reusable, washable, and naturally antibacterial, so your food stays fresh and plastic-free. Whether you're hiking or on a long-haul flight, you can snack sustainably. Number 10, solar-powered chargers. Need to keep your devices charged while staying green? Anker's Solar Power Bank lets you harness the sun's power. It's compact, efficient, and perfect for keeping your gadgets going without relying on traditional power sources. Good for you and great for the planet. Now you're ready to travel smarter and greener. With these essentials, you can explore the world and keep your footprint light. So which eco-friendly hack are you most excited to try? As always, drop a comment below and share. Like this video and subscribe for more.